Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Launchrr, which launches on the 22nd of November at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release from myself and my student Nella Fernandez. And what Launchrr essentially does is it shows you how I managed to launch 2 products each and every month, and have done pretty much for the last 2 years, almost like a product production line, and how you can do the same. And the reason that I can easily say that is because this course consists of a case study from one of my own students, Nella Fernandez, who's a member of my high ticket program Elite Academy, and he's going to show you how he replicated the training that I've given him so that he can now produce products regularly and put together a new product in well under a day. So the whole thing about product creation is that the super affiliates and the gurus, they tell you that it's something that's complicated and that takes a lot of time for you to do, because there are 2 reasons for that really. Firstly, they don't really want loads of people flooding the market with launching products, because the launch space is already pretty crowded, as you've probably seen. So although they want to teach you stuff, in a way they don't, if that makes sense, because they don't want the market to become any more saturated than it is right now. And secondly, if they do actually spill the beans about product creation, then they want you to buy their high ticket course first before they actually do that. So maybe if you pay them 2 or 3 grand, yeah, okay, then they'll show you how you can put products together quickly and easily. But if you're not prepared to do that, then you're going to have to scrabble around and try and learn it all yourself. Well, I think we should level the playing field a bit. So, I regularly teach this stuff to my students, and so I'm going to, put that out there to you as well. Obviously, whether you take action on that is entirely up to you. But what I will say is that of all the people that I know in this business, and that is literally without exception, of those that make 6 figures a year, 6 figure a year super affiliates, so $100,000 plus incomes, I don't know a single one of them that has done that without launching their own products. Not one, not at all. And I know hundreds of these people now. Every single one of them launches their own product. So the idea that you can get to that sort of figures, 6 figures a year, without doing products as well, without launching your own products, I think it's impossible. Okay, there's probably 1 or 2 people somewhere there that will show me that I don't know that are doing it. They may be the exception that prove the rule, but as a general principle, if you want to make a serious breakthrough in this business, you have to be launching your own products, because it's by launching your own products regularly that you expand your email list with proven buyers. Because obviously every time you launch a product, everyone that buys that product is added to your email list. If you're launching a product every twice a month and you're selling 300, 400, 500 copies every time you do that, then think of the number of people, fresh leads, proven buyers, every single one of them, that are coming onto your email list each and every month. And then you will start to understand why it is that product creation is so important. And secondly, of course, with launching your own products, other people do all the selling for you. It's the absolute reverse of what's happening for most of you right now. At the moment, you're promoting other people's products. So a launch comes out, you will promote it, you will be competing against every single other affiliate out there that is also trying to sell that product. The person that gains is the vendor, because he's got hundreds and hundreds of people all trying to sell his or her product. But when you are the vendor, when you launch, then it's all those people, all those other affiliates that are competing against each other to sell your product. You gain whoever makes the sale. Whether you make the sale or someone else makes the sale, it doesn't matter. So I hope the penny's starting to drop here, and you can see why launching your own products is so important. As I said, people are often put off because they think they won't have any ideas. It's too complicated, and it isn't. You can get it to a stage where it literally becomes a production line. you know, I find I can get an idea for a new product. It never takes me more than 5 or 10 minutes to decide what I'm going to launch next. You know, I'll just sit there, I'll think about it, and it's just done, and then I just get on with it because I know what the process is from that moment at all. So, you know, you are never going to be without ideas for products. So if this sounds exciting, I hope it does, folks, and you want to learn how to do product creation properly, then pick up a copy of Launchrr and enjoy this great case study from Nella. We're only going to charge you $12.95 front end price for this, folks, which I think is a bargain for the amount of knowledge that we are expanding on this. If you want to pick it up and get the bonuses, obviously all the bonuses are included in the members area, whoever you pick this up from, but click on the link underneath, bring you through to this page, and you get the bonuses as long as you buy during the launch period, which will be shown on here. Alright, so let's go and check out the sales page, folks. We'll also have a look at the funnel. There's the funnel, just confirming that front end price, $12.95. So learn the simple secrets to fast product creation, all the tools you need to finally succeed online, make high quality products in less than a day, launch twice a month to really cash in, or you can launch, you know, less than that. No one's saying you have to launch twice a month. That's just the way that I run my business. You can launch once a month or less frequently. It's entirely up to you. Other affiliates do all the work for you. Full over-the-shoulder video training. No tech skills required. Suitable for newbies and experienced alike. Never worry about list building again for the reasons I've outlined. Promote just like a super affiliate does. So once you've got all of those buyers onto your list, you will find that when you then start selling other people's products, you find getting sales a lot easier than you did before. Work today and earn for years to come. That's the other thing about products. Once you launch your own products, you know, I'm still getting money from the very first product that I launched over 2 years ago and everything that I've launched in between. Yeah, sales don't come in every day for every product. I'd be lying to you if I said that they did, but I still get sales from that first product that I launched over 2 years ago, and I get, you know, a good number of sales from all of the other products that I've released in that period from time to time. You know, sales keep coming in. Some sell better than others, obviously. Some are more evergreen than others, but I get sales from all of them over time. And we'll also have a look inside the members area. Oh, look, there I am with my mouth open. Okay, so let's deal with these bonuses that everybody gets. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. What's Launchrr? We've already gone through that. This video will be in here. There's a demo video. There's Nella, my launch partner. Okay, we're going to give you a great product here from Eric Kaji called The Secret Weapon. It's going to show you another way that you can build a list, but this time by creating completely free products. So the Launchrr training, obviously what we're training you there is to make products that you're actually going to sell. There is another way to build a list, probably easier, but you won't make any money from it, at least not initially, and that is by creating free products to sell in inverted commas. The Secret Weapon will show you how to do that. How to make a squeeze page if you don't currently know how to do that, another bonus. JVZoo Super Affiliate Tutorial if you want to learn how to master that platform. Obviously with this product we're mainly talking about Warrior Plus. The 7 top niches online if you're wondering what they are. And also the Ultimate CPA Masterclass. This is a really long masterclass, about 2 hours I think, telling you everything you want to know to get started in CPA. So those bonuses will be in the members area. I'll show you where they are in a minute. So sales page, folks. There's myself and there is Nella looking pretty cool with his hat on. Former sea captain, by the way. Nella is out in India. So very interesting character with an interesting background. Decided to give up his sea legs and come on shore. And there he is again inside that demo. Folks, you know, sometimes income proofs on pages are less relevant than others. But with this one, the figures are entirely relevant because this figure here, you know, from earlier this year, $41,000. The reason that I get that amount, the reason that I got that is because I create my own products. You know, that is the absolute primary reason. So, you know, when this proof is here, can you make this amount from this particular product? Yes, you can, because I'm teaching you how to do what I do regularly. So yes is the answer. And just to show you how it's scaled up and how it will keep going up, this is from I chose a screenshot from almost exactly a year earlier. So as you can see, 17th of July 2021, 41,000, 16th of July 2020, 22,000. So you can see that it more or less doubled over the course of a year. Sales page, I don't believe in too much hype on sales pages. There's not too much on here, folks, just confirmation of what the bonuses are basically. There's a guarantee if you've got any technical issues with the product as well. And as I said, $12.95 when the cart opens. Obviously what we've got here, you've got an overview of the system here, how this is all put together. Let me just see if I can get this up easily. Let me just start this off, there we go. Okay, so obviously we're going to be creating the product, we're going to be creating it on Warrior Plus. I'm going to be showing you how to set up all your sales pages and everything else. Then people are going to buy this, and then they're going to need to access the product via a members area, which we're also going to show you how to set up and create. We're also going to show you obviously how to plan your course right from inception, getting the initial idea, and then we're going to show you different ways that you can go about the product creation. I don't want to give too much away here, which is why I'm not opening these. In terms of the bonuses, you'll find them in here, and if you missed any of the upgrades, you can also click on this button here to get all the upgrades, which I'm going to go through in just a minute. So pretty straightforward and easy to follow, over the shoulder videos there, folks. In terms of these upsells, so I do strongly recommend that you pick up upsell number 1, which is a pro version. Pro version basically consists of two things. Firstly, it means that Nella and myself are going to check your product before it goes live. So we're going to make sure that you haven't made any mistakes, that everything's set up correctly, that your sales pages work, that the copy makes sense, that everything about the product is fine before you actually go to launch. There's nothing worse than launching a product and then finding out you've got problems, yeah? Now, you can do all that yourself if you want to, folks, but I strongly recommend that you get some people that are actually experienced in doing this stuff to give your products the once over once you've actually created them using Launchrr. And then secondly, and just as important, folks, myself and Nella are going to promote your products. You're going to get guaranteed promotion from both of us. That is going to add an absolute minimum 20 sales to your products. In terms of the top end, you know, I regularly have done promos that are sold between 50 and 100 sales. So, you know, it'll be somewhere inside there, folks, but it will give you a nice start to guarantee you, you know, a certain number of sales when you kick off your product. So I do strongly recommend you pick up the pro version at $47, folks. I think that is exceptionally cheap. Upsell number 2 is my executive club, which I've not put on sale for a few months, but I'm putting it back on sale today. $37. Put yourself ahead of the affiliate marketing game. Get notified at least a week before the launch of all new releases by myself. You'll get a review copy of the product for yourself so you can review it, and you'll also get a guaranteed approval. You'll also get 100% commissions on the front end instead of the regular 50%, so you'll get a boost in commission. Get ahead of the game and plan your campaigns early for maximum effect. Upsell number 3 is reseller rights. Sell Launchrr as if it was your own product. Keep 100% of the commissions across the funnel. Upsell number 4, done for you weekly campaigns. You'll get sent 3 done for you bonus pages each and every week with a review video from me. Also a product review from the vendor, and at least 10 bonuses for each product. And then finally, my high ticket upsell is membership of my beta tester academy, which is going to be changing shortly, folks. So this is going to be the last chance for you to pick this up in this format. After Black Friday, we're going to be doing something a bit different with this. We're going to move beyond the beta tester phrase. So this is the last opportunity that you will be able to get into my academy actually for this price point. All right, so do not miss out on that. If you've been sitting on the fence, but if you leave it, it's not going to be quite the same offer, and overall it is going to cost you more. So I strongly recommend that if you've been sitting on the fence, that you take action now. You can watch the half-an-hour video on the sales page that will give you all the details of the massive amount of stuff that you get with that. And that's pretty much it, folks. if you want to pick this up and obviously get these bonuses, then click on these green buttons here. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on any of these buttons when the cart opens. That will take you through to the receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button here to access your copy of Launchrr. You do not need to click on the blue button to claim your bonuses, alright, because I've already shown you where you can access those. Those are in here under bonuses in your members area. They'll already be in there waiting for you after you have bought the product. So that's really it, folks. I'm not going to give this a star rating because it's my own product. Obviously I don't give myself a rating, that's for other people to do. All I will say is to, as usual, thank you for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and also click on that bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out a new recording. Until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Launchrr.